Hello everyone and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Collegedunia. And today I'll be telling you how you can predict your college according to your WBJEE rank. So first you have to go to the Collegedunia website, that is collegedunia.com, and once you see this link, you have to click on that. And after visiting the page, you have to scroll down below and you will see this section of your college predictor. You have to click on this. And then you have to select the course and the exam that you want to pursue. For example, today we'll be seeing for WBJEE, and the course we want to do is the ARC. And then you have to click on Find Colleges. After that, you have to enter your rank along with your reservation category and your course. For example, my rank is 1300. This is my reservation category and this is the course. You have to click on check results. So there are in total of 3 colleges for which I qualify for, and this is a list of all those colleges. And if you want to know more about the college and the course, you have to click over here and you can see all the information regarding your course, your college, your admission process. The reviews are given also, and the cutoff, placement, ranking, everything is given. And you can also download the brochure by selecting this button down below. And also, if you want to see colleges according to your preferences and choices, you have to click on this below button, that is filter, and you can just select according to your choices. For example, according to the city you want to go, your year, your cutoff quota, your substream, your degree type and category, and then you can apply those changes and see all the colleges listed for you. So that's it guys. If you want to know more and if you have any other questions, you can comment down below or you can visit the website, that is collegedunia.com.